sir. No, sir. I can't do this no more. Me tired of it. Me tired of this. Me tired of you. Me tired of it, man. Walk. That's all. Go part of the pavement. Me tired of you. You see the next time you make them your people phone my phone and make me have to come down here, especially for thief. Me now come. Let me take off my glasses and look in here. Yai them. No, sir. This is the last time. Make them phone me again. Me now come for you. Me now come bail you. You turn there. Since you love you so much, me I gonna let you for Tanya. Why make you do it again, June? Why make you do it this time? Why make you thief again this time? Why make you finger them scratch? Huh? Nothing to say.
You're not tired to shame me. You're not tired to shame me.
Who down a police station
Them
again and again?
Them a lock me up every time for something when me not guilty of. Every time you blame me wrongfully. And you not believe me. You know me make you spend so much money. Every time you dung in me and they tell me one heap of bag of story. If they come for me, I have to go with them. They handcuff me and carry me go. What you want me to do?
And them have no evidence. Then just handcuff your son.
Me don't know why them a call up for me name over station and lock me up every minute.
Well,
if you know that.
Well, you must know, and all I know to tell you, sir, this is the last time. Make them the people phone the phone again. Make phone call come from this your place again. You tired of me? Me tired of you. Me tired to spend money on you, man.
Me can't take it no more. Every time you come insult me in front of people.
Me have a well of money to spend on you.
Every time you try to insult me in front of people, I want you.
Huh? Me have money to throw away from the police station. Me might as well just work for the police. Cause with you, that's all me I do. Every minute me down here. Fake of you.
But me never tell none of them to call you. Me don't know how they get your number. Every time they hold on for me for something when me not guilty of. Yeah. Me can't take it no more, man.
Here what? Me tired of this. Me case and walk up and come out to the site. One. Me tired of this. Me not spend no more money. Me now do this again. Me done with this. Me done. Sure. Go on. Turn up in the middle, man. Turn up in the middle. It should have lick you down. Liquor, yes, liquor. And that you fi do, liquor. Save me a lot of money. Go about your business, man. Me done.
Nobody else in here not thieving.
You know,
she.
Yeah, you go make a complaint about it.
Yes, me I make a complaint, you know. Everybody a complaint. Me make a complaint. Say I make a complaint.
Tell me, say.
I want back money. Because I make the complaint.
But me look for me line, me look for me line, me say, oh, my pink just missing half of the lines. And nobody else in the yard. Me say, my man, me say, me well, it just stretch.
I should do that still.
It stretch.
Oh. Well, anyway, it's good, girl. As I said before, where I go now?
Papa, me talk with something about go.
Me come go up the road and now.
Me say, but I go put camera for my own.
Yeah, girl, do that quick and far because I want to catch up on camera and put her on the whole social media platform.
Yeah, me say, please quiet
but
and nice.
remember, if I see mother, or if me see mother, me I make a complaint.
If you see her first, make a complaint. Me see her next, me tell her.
Me I make a complaint. If I to them me see her, to them make a complaint here.
Alright then, later.
Girl.
Yeah.
Pinky girl. Don't tell me to see a girl. Say girl, I have 10 pouring I want to tell you.
You want to sit down, my sister? You want to sit down?
I don't want to sit down, come here and talk. Talk when I tell her the information. When I gather. You know, you remember. You know, twin them were in the area. One them named Junior, one named Juni. You remember the Rasta lady?
Yes, remember, yes.
Girl,
What happened?
you see the daughter Juni is a disgrace to the family.
I lie. I must spin my role, man.
You spin a role for?
Girl.
I hear say she a walk and a thief. I want that time police lock up she. Hey, you see that woman there?
A thief, man.
A be a thief, she thief. You better hide your things, man. She come here and go thief your things.
Too?
Girl, I hear say she take clothes. She take money. Me hear say how the truck come, flit off things at the supermarket. And the woman.
Yes, what you say them see the mister?
A she thiefy. A she thief and I'm gonna have to go bail her out. Me hear say our day police come kick down door.
How's mama did there?
Where me more for the day? Over the way then must say yard. I had to think about it too. The poor woman must have feel pain.
Your mother must feel stressed out, you know.
Woman a thief cylinder girl.
Cylinder where money can buy for 3-5.
Cylinder she a thief. Me I say, I'll clothes. Me I wonder if she thief panty. Cause the way she walk this, me I wonder if.
Action.
Me I wonder if she thief panty.
All of that too.
Cause the way she walk this.
All toothpaste.
All them something the
All
eye.
toothbrush. Roll on.
I tell you what you know. It's about the ever my child and I push her out. All her mother.
Poor woman.
But her mother for go on better. Her mother must throw her out of the house.
And that me say,
Cause
cause
a
mother
big woman.
Your mother child with her to and she a thief. She can't go along so. She thief this boy, my
I
friend.
first say, oh, big woman before she go look work.
I look somewhere go rent out and you know man I say buy food and tap thief. If I did ever feel me pitney, I would have give so hey.
I'm in the car.
No, me come so in and me can't sense. Guys look like so me come like girl, let you have sense.
I would have abandoned her.
No, me not do
Hello,
that.
I would have walked around road and hold my head straight. I don't have no data. Come on, don't know why she a thief. Every single day she get up, she thief. Ah, film brother.
Jesus.
Film brother must shame.
And that Jonah?
Yes, he must shame.
Me tell you so work a family that man. Him brother thief.
No,
He not thief.
no, him brother not thief. Every thief, my brother for a thief. She alone a thief. She alone me earball. And me the earball, the brother me that chatty stills. But I know, she alone me earball.
So that's why me hear say everybody walk and I say then things are missing.
Yes. Cause she a go around and a thief. Me I wonder if they walk.
Me
Help
put camera up on my house.
Yes.
Me put
Me
camera
I put camera
up
on my
everywhere.
house too. Me wonder if she come me a can't teach me panty off her line.
You know, I say put fun and joke aside to me pin out something over there from my line. And me no see it. Pin out one pink dress from the line and me
Me
no
I go
see
do.
it.
Me make a complaint to her mother. You see, anytime I see her mother, I gonna make a complaint to tell her that I say to bring back my panty where she thief off of
I
the
want
line.
my pink dress for my man buy me.
Because she alone in the neighborhood with a thief. Why you said so?
When they exercise. My mom tells me I buy clothes and bag.
Why? But like you back already. Why you guys do? Why you guys do?
We're just in the mood, you know? In the mood for the, yeah. If I'm sweat here, baby. Yeah. Clothes, you can't done clothes. I like it.
So I'm not going to let them wear already.
No, remember where? I yard clothes, like yard sale, I'm going to do yard sale.
So you buy clothes too?
Yeah, I said I need the clothes pin to pin them up. You come with the clothes pin. I'm just pin them off while you just choose and you get the clothes pin with it and you come with the clothes pin.
Oh, so
Just like how you buy clothes and you come with the tag, then I want to come with the clothes pin.
oh, that's nice.
I like them.
Yeah, I like them. You can money for me too? Okay, yeah, sweet.
Baby, listen. When you're talking about money, that time will soon come. You get clothes.
Yeah,
That's
I
all
like
you
the
wanna
clothes them, yes. I like the clothes them.
do. Yeah. So, you know what you
Make
did?
no clothes with no clothes pin, here.
No what?
Don't carry clothes come with no clothes pin the next time.
So you don't want to pin out power when
I
you
have
done.
clothes pin and I buy clothes pin.
You do have fun, man. Oh, God, man.
You think if you go home and go bed?
So what? I'll be the one beard off my look.
You look sweaty.
I'll be the one beard off my look.
Go and bed and come back for somebody juicy. Go and bed and come back.
The whole be a man tell me not to bed. Not until 1 week time.
Be go and bed and come back.
Why you rush me, sir?
Hmm?
I come in, come tell me what me I give you clothes and me make love.
You can't make love and look so sweaty. Go bed up and fresh up.
No, at the best
Which
time.
best time? Hello. Go bed and do this is supposed to have smell now. Go and bed and fresh up, man. You know, oh, yeah.
This ain't go wrong now. You see, dumb better? Come on. No one with that.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Go bed.
Take good.
Go bed.
Hey, relax.
Hear me pitting there. So no one, anybody down there here. And you make me come out the street, you know, Junie. And you primarily me want to talk to. Right, make we settle down. Me too old. And come on this earth too long and a batter with the two on no. Me can't take the pressure. My pressure gone up. Me have to go doctor and everything. Your teeth milk out of coffee. Every minute, me have to batter, find money. I pay back people.
Oh,
Me can't
God.
do it no more.
Oh, God.
Oh, no,
That's a
twin.
wicked
Why
way.
you can't be more like your brother?
Hey, be like me.
Huh?
Why you
That's
steal?
why I have to love me, you know, Junior.
Exactly. I
Me want you to rub off on
I
her.
make you spend too much money for no reason.
Aye. Me not have, me take off my glasses and look at me too
Yeah,
much
man.
poor. You is my daughter, and me have to love you.
And she should have come good enough because she a girl. She should have married already. I want big property so we can live on it.
Aye.
And
That's why no man no want her. The two teeth, you for stop it, man.
Two teeth,
My pressure can't take it. You want me for dead? You want me for dead before time? I
I
don't
mean,
have to ask
me
you.
no want you dead, mommy. Because me no get as much money yet. Not dead yet.
Me have plenty for put up on this earth, you know.
Right.
Me love you know.
Yeah.
That's so me have to find, beg and borrow the money for payback because me no want police take you away. Me have to beg Mass Tom fix the door. The other day police come kick down my door for you. Huh? Them not pay for it, you know. And me have to go find money pay for it.
Maybe till she come out last thing.
Why? Me no know, son.
The
Me
teeth
no know,
in the blood are thinking of him.
Me no know, baby. Me no know if it's your father's side or what. But that's why me love you, you know.
baby,
Me love
hold
you
on,
too.
hold
But
on,
that's why me have to love you. Cause you're my good
My mother,
boy.
listen what I say now.
Can't manage it.
Sometimes you wonder when you get it
You
changed.
hear me? You not hear me? Me your daughter or what? Because you not treat me like me I want. Everything people tell us about me, you believe say me do it.
Mommy, hey, listen.
You prove it to me day by day. My mother, me can't take it no more.
Let me tell you something.
Mommy don't watch it
Me
sorry for
can't take it
darling.
no more.
Fake tears.
Because you dey tell me say me a thief. How me the thief this and thief that and how much time you pay police money for me. Because me put myself in a trouble. I me not take nothing for nobody.
Junie, police do something called investigation.
And then
Before them come kick down people's door. If that was not the case, then everybody's door they would have kicked down.
Right.
Them have to get warrant. And them have to get judge for sign warrant. Me watch it on TV, you know.
Yes,
Then can't come back down your door without proof.
Where you say me take now? What me thief now?
Your brother said, me never see you with that the chain before for true. And me hear say, the Chinese man round the road, him just get him delivery from Brinks.
I want star 40 me go. Last year December, and me get this as one gift. Cause me win something.
Where you win,
Them
sir?
did a play bingo and me win and a this me get.
You probably thief the money for play the bingo. And that me can't take with you, man.
What happened to you?
So everything them tell us say me do, you believe.
Brinks truck.
You not try to find out. You just think say me thief for things all the while.
Where is it happen?
You not here? No! Brings truck come when I'm at Mr. Chin the other day. And the man them a talk. And the full cashier came first day. Them give them the money for the till. Him put the till down on the side and turn and I mind somebody. Me here see the whole trade and take off foot.
So how did?
Who the police come for?
Oh, okay.
Who the police come for?
I mean, the police come for, but I know me take it. Me and go to stand up in a supermarket. I know me take it.
But Junie, how you could
funny
have
enough, you know, mommy.
accidentally, every thief, you accidentally did it. How you salt so?
How you thought so?
You see you? Me no want you say nothing to me, you know. Me no know how me and you are twin, you know. Although we not identical, you know.
So you feel like, say, me if you put up with the slackness? No.
My son not join you.
I am being on mommy's side. Mommy protect and serve.
But me want, of course, me love you. Me want to hug you up to me love you. That's why me I find money to keep you out of jail. But me can only do so much, Junie. That's why me come out here and me I beg you. Me I beg you,
Everything you know
please.
say
So,
me.
how much money?
Everything you know say me. So him never do nothing yet.
Where?
Of course, nobody not perfect.
Everything you know
But me
say
don't
me.
know, me don't know my son for thief milk
Right.
out of coffee.
So me I walk on thief and you believe. If people then tell us that me I walk on thief and you believe as my mother and you cannot prove it.
There's a belief cure.
Other day they say somebody thief cylinder down the road, don't say me. And you believe and go and pay
How
money
far
for
room
people
the cylinder
cylinder.
did in
And
there?
You still there, road?
but which part me have to put cylinder? Where the cylinder there?
Them say whoever thief it go sell it.
Jesus Christ.
And now me see you with new chain. Girl,
No, you see me with new chain. I mean, have this from December, I not act like I first want to see me with it. A bingo, me say me win this. I want to start party. I want to believe me until now.
Well,
so where you did get money for play bingo?
Me and one of my friend go at the staff party and we are play bingo. And she buy the card them. And I'm me bingo on it.
The same bingo party that money go missing at.
I want to start party and then have whole heap of different game
the
there.
raffle money
So my
went
friend did have
missing. See what I mean? No, one person can't sell.
mommy,
No.
mind the pressure rise.
Everywhere you got money and things missing.
Mind the pressure rise. Don't
It
follow.
rise already, son.
Don't
And
follow.
you wanna
You don't
keep it
talk to
down.
me. You don't talk to me
Good
because
thing is,
you better you won't talk to me
you
down
get
there
a
for me
twin.
people them here. You better you
No,
just
me I
insult
try
me down
keep
there.
it.
So.
No.
one is not thief and one is pure at heart.
So hold on there. My mother, where you try say all the while? All my life I grow come up. I realize that everything will happen wrong, you say is me. And you prefer him more than me.
Why
and
not?
And the two of we are your child.
The two I want mine, yes.
You never
Yeah,
think
but
that's
God,
what they want.
which one you gonna gravitate to? Honey
So
or
that-
vinegar?
Hold
Tell
on.
her the
Which
truth.
which one honey love? Vinegar or honey?
Tell her
And
the
me
truth.
not lie, me daughter, me love
tell
you,
her
me
the
would
truth.
dead for you.
So you
But
never
Tell her the
want
truth.
me then.
You didn't want two,
be one
son.
girl. That you don't sit down and talk about behind
She,
my back.
she tell me
You
that she buy a
come.
lot of boy
you
clothes.
come and me love you.
No, me
You
I
really
tell,
have
no.
to tell her that.
Yeah.
To tell you in privacy.
When we
and
in
you
a
really
belly,
have to open your mouth.
she buy a lot of boy clothes. She never buy no girl clothes. Cause she never expect no girl.
Junie,
But you him and daddy cheap, they
keep
never
your
go.
mouth now.
They
Keep your mouth now. There's a whole lot of shit with your name on it. Junie, my daughter, me never want to tell you but a truth. You know how me love boy child already. But you come.
Cause the boy.
Shut. The next one open. You come, and me love you. But you see your ways. Me love you, but my daughter. Your ways, Junie. Me can't
What kind of
take your
ways me have? Every time when I say me I walk on a TV
Me say,
people
shut-
things. What kind of ways me have? What
You
mean?
just don't answer it yourself,
What?
Junie.
'Cause me- but
Your
me a
hand
thief.
them and your finger them too light. Me don't know where you get it from, but your finger them too light.
She mean if you always have things in your hand so you don't take up people things. Like how me have things in my too and I won't take up people things. Your
All
hand is very
that
light.
too. Me love you as my daughter. You come here for love
You don't talk to
You
me
see,
because
mommy?
no one
But-
go now.
Do me
Bye-bye,
beg you.
sis. Now
Me
come
beg
over.
you.
Go
Do what you
on,
have
here,
to
take care of
do
yourself.
and make God go with you on
Don't
your
get-
journey. But do.
No
Me
call
I
up like
beg you.
police again.
No thief, nothing. Here.
Mm.
And you can't take it.
I know about the call up. No matter call
can't
mommy
take it,
again. They
you
call
can't
mommy,
take
mommy give me money from birthday and me want it. And every minute you have to go to station and pay for you to come out. Every minute you have to pay.
Me can get a good Friday today. Today is Friday. Make it be a good one, you know? Happy
Right.
Friday.
They know you pay day today,
All
mommy.
right. Well, good, my daughter.
Yeah,
Do not
play this,
thief. Yes, man. That me I go down.
Alright, yeah. You see, through me a good boy, I'm a never thief. And me follow you go down a station, you look on 10 grand. Can't get right?
10. Well, I don't know if we can reach 10, but for you. All right. We'll hold back on that. You need 10, my son?
Yes, something important. Not turn over the money, man. No worries.
All right. By hook or by crook, you will get the 10.
Yes,
I don't
that I
know how
hear,
me I
man.
gonna do it, but you will get the 10.
You're my favorite in the family. I don't like daddy too stingy on me.
Oh, Almighty Father, as I'm coming to you as a humble servant, I pray for my son Junior. He's a good man. He's a good boy. I thank you, Lord, that you give me him. I thank you every day. Bless him, Lord. Bless him. Because him have a good heart. And him have a good family. And him have a good brain upon him. Him smart, Lord. I thank you for that. I want him to go back to college and become a lawyer or a doctor, especially a lawyer, because I'm good with him out, Lord. Thank you for giving him that blessing. You know what you're doing when you give him to me as a son, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bless him, Lord, from the crown of his head to the sole of his feet. Don't make no harm and destruction come to him. Bless him and guide his way, Lord. And remove every negativity in his path. And remove all crosses from his path. Because he's a good boy. And thank you for blessing him, Lord. And thank you for giving me my good son. Oh, God bless him and make him come to something even more special and shine his light bright, Lord. I pray these things in your name. Thank you again for my son, Lord. Thank you again for my son. Thank you. And bless him, Lord, and protect him and shower him with your mercies. I pray and ask these things in your name and your name alone. Amen. I love you, son. Oh God, me love him. Me love him bad. Tasty. Me love a rasta when I'm not tasty. Love I'm from them tasty. And my shots, push-ups, on my own baby. Let me take a little further.
Mother.
Oh boy.
My mother, you know someone talk to you.
I want to talk to you too. Go on. Come out to the sun.
You get to understand, say. You hate me in a real life, with you. You don't like me as my mother. And you birth me. And the way you treat me different from my brother. It's like,
what is this, Lord?
It's like me not exist. It's like he's not my mother. Me prove it over and over. See, you don't like me noon tall. You always. I put my brother in front of me. And the two of we are twin. We just not identical as me tell you before. But me not understand how we are same mother, same father. Come from the same home. And you prefer one more than the other. Every day you curse me. Why you never just dash me when I'm done? You should have just abort me. Why you bring me? Why purpose? Why means? What cause if you care me for 9 months? Upon God earth. And then treat me like I am nothing to you. It's like me is nobody to you. Like me not exist. Me know in your mind with little love. None at all. Please me I beg you. Just tell me why you don't love me. Why?
You done now?
No.
Me can't talk?
No, me
All
come to
right.
talk to you.
Alright. Talk.
Everybody
Talk
tell
then.
you bad things about me. You believe. You don't listen to me. You hear, but it's like you cock up your ears. You're not giving a listening ears to whatever me I say. Everything they say me do, you blame me wrongfully for it. And me know say me not do none of what they say. All God knows say. Me not do it as the sun they shine. Me never do nothing wrong yet. But me leave everything in a God hand. It's God and time, my mother, but it's okay.
You're talking about
Me
God.
still love you as my mother, and me still love my brother, but everything good.
You're talking about God. God is my witness. See, you big woman, and we still live in a board house. Ask me why. You come talk about say me not love you. Ask me why after these years nothing not change. Huh? How much time me have to find money, pay back people when you thief things, eh? If it's people, it wouldn't be bad or not too bad. How the door for fixed still? How much time police come here and kick off my door? Say, hey yo, police get it wrong every time. Every time you salt, so every weird thief there, your name call. I saw you salt. Police do them investigation. And it's always your name come up. But you know what them have to do for get warrant? Them have to go to police, police have to go to the lawyer and then go to the judge. A big things investigation. Me no hear junior name call. Never once me hear junior name call. It's stop a junior.
You know say a lot of people I tell
me no love you. But yet me stay in a board house for keep you on the road. Huh? Me grey up, I feel use buckle black pan this to keep it on the road. Cause me no want nothing.
I lie
The
them
police and the judge and the lawyer too.
Me no know. Look here, some confederate. Look here, some people, somebody. Me no know.
And me no love
tell
you.
pure lie upon me every minute. Police lock me up. And not my fault. Me no do it. Me don't do it. You come bail me the
So
last
you
time.
salt so.
I know.
You one salt so.
Me no do nothing. Me no do nothing. Me not tell you no lie.
You're
Me no do-
innocent, man. Your
Yes.
halo still intact, man.
Me
You're
no-
innocent.
Me innocent towards what them a say me do. I am not guilty. Me not guilty.
So how is it, Junior? Me want to believe you, but you don't give me no cause to believe you. But me still find money for bail you. Don't
Nah,
ever say that,
believe me.
man. Don't ever. Then how
Why
come?
you not believe me
Because
every
when me
time?
ask you for your side of the story, you can't give it to me. Huh? All the way the police ask you for your side. When them ask you why you did the Tuesday between 10 and 11 because that's when such and such missing. You don't know where you're there.
Why you not believe me? Why you not believe
You're
me?
not giving nothing for believe
You
Junie.
choose to police lock me up every time and you come on station come bail me. That means me guilty of what they lock me up for.
And remember, sir, you send me come a station, come Billy, you know. Me still in a board house, sick of you, you know.
Why you
how do you come tell me, say,
again.
your sister, your ungrateful sister, come tell me, say, me don't love she. Me I remind her so
you
they in
say
a
that?
peace because it's sick
Oh, you
of
say
she.
that?
Huh? The amount of time you have to find
You know how
money.
much push mommy have to push you out? Thank God me come out first.
When police ask you
You
question,
said-
you can't answer. When me try back you up from your little bit, we go through this with you, you know. And not just
when do
now.
again? When do again?
Huh?
What she do again?
As you bring that up, me beg you. When we separate out a room, me beg you. Every day me beg you. Me pray for you. Me pray to God for you. To stop thief.
Yes.
And God now answer my prayers. It's a
No,
test.
no,
this.
I tell
At
you,
least He give
Mommy,
me you, son.
You cannot pray for God to God for top thief. You have to just lower and make it top thief.
Why, me no know.
It's a task.
Son, maybe you have to go talk to her and rub off on her, man. Because
Huh?
you have to rub
Me?
your goodness have to rub on. She becoming
No,
you know,
no.
If me never love you, my daughter, me wouldn't spend my last to keep you on road.
Eh.
Huh?
Come to get
You
the money.
don't know this, but all when people are cuss you out to street, me I defend you.
Good.
Me nearly catch up in a fight with Miss Mac the other day. Say you.
Good.
So don't ever come and tell me say me don't love you. That is ungrateful and wrong.
Right.
I want to go through all of this and still in this board house.
Right.
20, 30, 40 years later, me still in this house board house.
Correct.
Say you. And then
Correct.
you have the audacity to come
I'm-
tell me say me not love you.
I'm
Get
gonna-
your rank and face to you know.
I'm going in a mansion and take a swim in a mansion.
I'm a better same
Why
way.
you never lock your foot when time me after me come out?
Boy, that
You
never
should lock your
invented.
foot so. You shouldn't make she come out. You shouldn't make she come out. You
Then
tell
she
me
comes, I love her. The two I want to be picnic. The two I want to pick me, I love her now.
but she a
But me
try.
not love, me not lie, Junie, me love you.
Yes,
But me not love your ways, man.
when
Me can't take your
stress
ways.
mommy, because when you have no money, we don't have no money. And you have to spend it for now and that no fear.
Eh? Look on the tear up clothes your brother still have to wear. Huh? Your brother still, look, could they? Your brother still in a tear up
Make she give me
clothes.
some of my money when she
Because me
I'm
not
only
love
she
you.
thief.
Huh?
I'm only
We
she
still in a this. Come in, I love you. You're brown and fat and round like England pound. Come in, I love you.
Because she used to thief.
Where you there? Where you there stand up now? I run from sun hot. If me never love you, you wouldn't run from sun hot because you're there in a prison with how much woman I suck and do whatever. Because woman
No
I
shoot
suck
that didn't make
because
him
you
go.
soft.
You see next time police come after him, no go back for you.
Me can't do that, man. No matter
No.
what, it just grieve me, man. Your ways, Junior, me can't
Brother,
take your ways.
I really that you just make come out of your throat.
I don't mean the police come here.
Brother, say God know you just make that drop out of your throat. Towards me, your sister, and we are twin.
So what's wrong with that?
So,
The Bible said the wicked
brother,
shall
you
perish.
too.
Oh, what you matter about you two? What do you mean by you two? Where is it?
You miss it earlier. She come round and say
Brother.
she need to talk to me because I
You
don't
too.
love her. Me do all of this because
No.
me
You
don't
have
love
all of
her.
this, something
We
against
love
me
you,
too.
that's why we want you to be
Ungrateful.
at the bar. When you be at the bar, you won't get in a trouble
That's
against
why
it.
you can't change because
You
people
won't
that
get in
try
no
to talk
trouble.
to you. People
You
that try to
have
talk
to
to
do
you and
like
tell
me.
you good.
You have
And
to
all
do
you
all the
see
beat
is
on the
you
bush.
love him more than me.
You
If me
understand?
never love you, me wouldn't be talking to
Right.
you so.
Brother, why me do you make you hate me?
No, I'm not here to me say, more you there behind the bar, so you won't in no more trouble. Listen, let them roll, listen, you get 3 meals a day. You're alright. They won't trouble you. They won't hear say you're a thief and mommy won't have to spend no money. No, if you money for bail. The whole thing
No,
might
me
carry-
don't want
Say
to
you
go
rather me go
prison.
behind bars.
No, me don't want to
me
go
do.
prison because none of my
How
picnic
me
for
don't
go
know? Who me say
prison.
you do it?
And bring shame, none of my picnic
You
for
don't
go
say she
prison.
thief.
Me will do everything to keep
Blame
that
woman.
out. None of my picnic for go prison.
My mother, which part is my father did be again? Which,
Am I gonna change you?
no, me just,
So if you're not gonna change
me
you,
just
what?
feel like me want left
That-
out the house and go stay with
That-
what my
that-
father
that-
did. Until me can get somewhere for
That,
him,
that,
because
that what this part there?
me can't
Him you want to go to?
me can't take this
You
other
better
work.
turn a mummy and go and suffer your
Let me
man.
tell you something about your father. Him not gonna put up with this, you know. He wouldn't put up with this.
Daddy will love.
Me talk to you. Your father's as big as you. I would have bust your there.
You know,
So if you want go your father, go your father.
And
But you
you're
know,
a
say your
fag.
papa go.
And you're a fat when we did jump out and you're in a labor for 4 hours. You should just tell the people themselves, make you just lock your foot and make it standing there and God
Why
forgive
sometimes
me.
you talk foolishness as much as we love you, you know?
Jesus Christ. And that you say again about me?
Oh,
I saw you hate me for real in a real life. You're one sister.
mommy, you believe in me yet? Huh?
And you're only
I
brother.
protect me, I protect her.
That
You
not
is my
nice,
only
but-
brother.
No, I protect me, I protect
No,
her.
not said that. Me should have locked my foot. Not said
You
that.
is my only brother, means your only sister. We are twin. And I saw you deal with me. Junior.
Me not deal with you now, you.
And me I do so.
Yeah, baby. Me not
That
give money
cry,
already.
really, I cry.
That money they done already. Oh, what? We are doing so much money. I give you $35,000. You're supposed to make that last of at least 3 to 4 days. And you want to say me yesterday and it's done today. You do it. Here. Not bad out, not bad out. You not bad out. I lie you tell me. Me know I lie you tell me. Because you not do here. Right.
Where you get $35,000
Huh?
to give who that? You get
Oh,
35,000
no,
of my money, son.
The client may I talk to mommy.
For
Client.
this business thing you're telling me about.
Yeah. I'm giving 35,000 to do some things, you know?
Oh.
I feel like my head hurt me. I stand by one pill for me.
You don't have it. I don't have it, mommy. Give her money.
Which part may have money?
Mommy, that's...
Junie, you're a big girl. You come out and say you wanted to talk. I'm allow you first. I'm gonna tell you something. Want to talk to you too.
Uh-huh.
It's about you here with your brother though.
Uh-huh.
Business clients.
Business.
It's about time you look at work, man.
Yeah.
When you see me, I help out your brother.
Business.
God will help those who help themselves.
Self.
I help himself.
Number
If you
one
don't
in the
look at work,
business.
man, that might stop you from thief. Idle hands find devil work to do. Me nah berate you, know.
Taylor.
Me try to help you.
No, listen. All right, 25,000. Me soon come. I talk to mommy. Relax now. You're the only one, girl. Relax. Come in. Yeah, man. Love you too, baby. Yeah.
Wow. One love.
Yeah.
One love, Junior.
Yeah.
That's your deal.
Yeah.
see me working in my try so him can support
Yes, sir.
a lady friend. You
Your
know,
son
say
and girl
you're
is no man.
single.
Your son have whole, your son can get whole if I get come money are coming, you know, you say I look more for no money again, you know, man.
That's why me have to that's why me have to live him different.
My
Me love
business,
you
them.
too. But he might try, man. Go get a job or something.
Yeah, man, get a job.
Start, even if you buy cheap chicks and sell, bag juice and sell, start a business. Show me say you have some ambition other than teeth, man. Me
Right.
love you because you're my daughter. Me have to
Get a
love
job.
you. But me not love your ways, Junior. Oh God, me can't take your ways.
Madam,
And then you
let
come
ask
tell
you-
me
let me
this.
ask you one question. So the shoes where you yesterday in teeth, you believe say I'm a thief?
Where you did
The
that-
cylinder where you yesterday in teeth, you believe say I'm a thief? The clothes them where your ears say come off by people them line, you believe to your heart say I'm me thief? You believe say I'm me thief the woman cylinder and go sell back the woman the cylinder. And the woman cylinder, you know, and some of the thief and go sell back the woman, and you believe say I'm a thief and go sell back the woman.
And you believe them thief Chinese people their money? Yes, you believe.
Junie,
You believe.
you is my daughter.
You believe, Mom.
I'm a one believe the best of you.
Right. So if that's how you
Wait,
believe so you take it.
all right.
Your hand,
Last-
your hand says to make your hand heavy.
You
Right.
can't give no explanation. Or when the police themselves ask you, you can't tell them what you did there. You can't give. And you is the saltiest person you ever know. Every time thief go down, I'll bring thief too. You did it.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Actions, girl, actions.
I know, let me teach you
Me don't
something.
know what to believe. Me
I know
never did it. Me
everything.
can't swear for you, me can't swear against
Alright,
you.
man, everything
I know
good.
everything born identical, right?
Everything good,
I
man.
know
It's alright, but
everything.
they just come
No,
to
listen,
talk
I'm
here.
not
The
talking
sun
to
at a
you.
man go to road.
I know every twin born identical.
stop me, I'm going
I know every twin born to be good. And I know every twin born to live good. So you go.
It's alright, everything good, man. We just
Follow more like
God on
Junior,
time,
man.
God on time. Everything
Follow
good, you
more
know?
like Junior.
Everything good, man.
You too. You are one to stop BLR. Go
Oh,
around
if
there.
stop BLR and people will call my name and your name out of street.
Yes, it's
They
here
make it worse.
Yes.
You might actually she stay in a prison.
Yes, it's
Prison but daughter, no, me can't take prison but daughter name.
Grandma is sick. And the dead bed. I'm telling you, top fret because God will take him and that's it and everything I have to take him mind off. I same thing. Send him behind bar. The can't see that's go there once a week or give.
No,
You
man, me
get-
can't take the shame, Junior. And the shame me
No
do it for you
shame
know.
no in the game, you know.
And me, them are gonna tell me have prison but daughter and you have prison but
No,
sister.
say Ghana
Me not
foreign.
do it for she, you know.
No, in Ghana foreign. In Ghana foreign. That's all.
You know how
Mommy,
people
if
chat,
police
man.
lock him up again, you hear me say? Don't waste the money, you better can't come give me.
Alright.
You need it more than anything else, right?
Alright, my son. Alright. Can't take that pressure.
Oh, that God.
Dog one.
Stamina.
You look nice today.
Yes! Money is coming now and then, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, man.
You know I love it. She put her bag like a fast.
Mm-hmm.
You know I love it, right?
Yeah. So,
So you know remember the money me asked you for
oh, that.
last week.
Go ahead. You're my baby, you know. Have money. A matter of fact, I'm not going to go with Trish. There.
No who there?
The Trish. This is the Trish. You know, you're my heartbeat, you know?
Yeah.
You ask 25, I give you 30. So that's simple,
Remember
man.
say you have to pay for the me ear.
Oh, ear? How much
Yeah.
you get here?
I'll go $15,000.
Alright, 30, I give it.
Alright, so you have to do the ear.
Yeah.
It's a lot. Look, maybe this is not crap. This is what this happened last week. Yeah, last week.
So what you trying to
I'm
tell me?
want new clothes. What's on new clothes?
New clothes, no
Yeah.
problem. Alright. Send you 30, yeah. New clothes.
Alright, baby. No, be
Huh?
this week, no, be this week. Man, I'm asking for money last week, and you say, no, this a week, but I still have to play this a week, a bill. You have to do again. You said I wash out, yeah.
So what me just get a while ago?
Last week money, you don't exist anymore, baby.
Jesus!
I'm also stingy with the money.
So 15, yeah.
Me 15 can't work. It's just you not
No,
give me hand.
you
Yeah, give me
mad.
hand.
You
A hand you give me, you can't afford me again.
Alright, see next 15. You're the only woman.
Right. So me alone for your life.
One and only.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So, outing.
Alright, give me more.
Jeez.
This I can't serve me for balance a week.
Yeah.
A new week, you know?
You know, to me, give more than what me I give my mother.
I'm go this one. I'll go this right now. Don't go this right now, baby. You don't want me? You have to just keep up the standard. Look for my body and sling the money. Look for me and put the money for me.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Alright.
So I love you. Take
Alright.
good care of your woman.
Alright, this shall fix you.
Alright, baby.
Mm-hmm.
So I want you good?
Yeah, but more I link me later.
Oh, later I go check my mother in the hospital, be.
No, hold on. Where is that?
What you do, be?
No, what you just say?
My mother in the hospital, but after I look for my mother, I come look for you.
Oh.
Yeah, but for the year mother in Africa, I'm going to look for your mother, then come look for me after.
No. Should have time the first to satisfy myself.
Oh, my mother come
My
first.
mother, they go. Me, I come.
But anyways, just fix up yourself properly and go on and marry all the way. Me, I can't go up on the road. So I say, no, so yeah, my heartbeat. Yeah, my sugar plum.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Come here.
Alright. You know.
Yeah, give me bun. Or somebody know what I say? We are,
Oh, you say you go on you?
we are lick me back, pa. Hug up me back properly. Hug me up. Hug up me properly. I want we are hide from. Hug up me, man.
Yeah.
You come and lick me on my back.
Alright. So,
Alright.
anyway,
So what?
I'll see you later.
Yeah. Don't make your sister thief your money, because it's a she a go run on thief.
Hey! That thief in thief.
Me never see thief off my panty off of the line. Me pink and white panty.
The expensive one?
Yes.
Good.
Where did buy me?
It's
him to miss half of the line. Me whatever she thief it.
I'm going to see if you want.
A she?
Yeah, man, I see.
Alright, baby, later.
Yeah, later.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Next girl get that. Yeah, you get. Tani. Relax, no be mediocre. Remember, the type of work we do, normal, The hair money, no worry yet, girl. Remember to me have your account number, A simple thing for me transfer right, At the bank, me I go change out some money, because I have a lot of US, so I change out some money and transfer it to you. Yes, baby, me love you. How much me I get? That's all they want interesting, Don't give them 50 grand, man. That can cover your year. And buy yourself a lunch. Yeah, man. Well, I get a call. Shut too much. Alicia. Oh, God, man. How are you with me, sir? Everybody. No, I'm sorry. I mean like everybody I call me. So, what you asking now? You want money? Money is no problem. I have money, baby. I can't see it today. I can't transfer the money to you. I can't see it today. I have a meeting with the big boss later. So, I just will transfer the money. Just tell me what you want. It don't matter how much you want. Just tell me. I transfer it right now. Huh? No. No. Listen. I will transfer when I want to transfer to you. You don't tell me. Because you are going to me 1 million. You idiot. You are kunu. Yeah, me will send 150 grand to you. But I had give 400 US, 60 grand that. Yeah. Yeah, man. Make sure you are the only woman for me. Don't worry, man. I don't know that girl. You are alone. Yeah, man. You are God alone. Alright. They love you. Yeah. Oh, God. Come on, man. Me have your account number. What you... Stop pressure me, man. Me can't do it now, mama. Me have to go at the... Yes, me have the money them for me. Then the bank me I go. I'm saying... Alright. I want to know, man. I say, yeah, money, sir. How? Look how much you set up my sister just your money and the magalang so.
And same way, so Junie, me want to talk to you. I'm
Again?
sick and tired of being sick and tired. Sick of you. People are cuss me out a road and I cuss me down.
Sick of me?
Sick of you.
How
Woman
me?
a cuss me out a street for my thieving daughter. And I tell the whole world to my daughter go to jail and me a thief and how me go and like say me tuss and me go and like say me a somebody when me have a daughter thief. Like, yeah, a done your name? A done your name or a junior name?
Junie, my name.
Must a done your take over?
So what you
A
talk
done
about?
ship your take over? Sick of you people that cuss me out the street.
Me sick of me. Oh, me make people cuss you out
Them
the
not
street.
cuss me about Junior, them cuss me about you.
Jesus Christ. So what they say me do again?
Your name think, you know, stink, you know. Your name think out a road. Oh God, Junie man. People all a cuss me now. Me never thief a thing a day in my life. And people out the street are cuss me. Me have to defend myself. Sick of you.
My mother, me tired of it. It come like you no want me figure.
Figure what? Figure repent.
Me just
Yes,
can't take this
that
no
me
more.
want you to do.
It come like you no want me do something to myself or what. Me no know. What do you want me to do?
Me want you for
Me
repent
tired of
and
it.
stop.
I kill no want me kill myself. Eh?
I never said that, Mama.
So
I
every
want you
time
to
under the
stop.
palm me, Junie this, Junie that, Junie thief this, Junie thief that. Where else left one God earth for me thief? Me supposed to thief off everything already. Because they don't believe me.
But Junie, you know,
Yeah.
help yourself. Every time the police give you a chance to talk, me give you a chance to talk, judge give you a chance to talk, and you can't explain, or you can make people know, say, yes, you was there at the time. You did it every time things go missing, but you never thief it yet, but you can't say what you did there.
So I me thief people them zinc. I me thief them shoes.
Well, confession good for the soul. That's a start. At least now you're confessed.
Me not
without-
confess me and ask you one question. So you, I me thief them. What me I do with zinc? Zinc alone can build house.
Me
What
not-
me I go do with zinc?
Me don't know if I want zinc or a whole heap of
Me
sheet
never
of zinc.
mention how much. Me don't know how much zinc them thief and you here say me thief zinc and you come and blame me. What is your problem? I can't you and my mother, lady.
Junie,
You sure say I'm your mother?
me don't know.
You
Me
sure
not
say
if
when
them swap
time
you
me
at
did in
hospital
yes, and
because
that me I go
we
say.
have two picnic at the same time and one come out like me and the other one, me don't know. So you are asking me,
You
can't
convince
answer.
me, you know. You convince me a lot of times.
Yes,
say,
me
Me
you
should
don't
get
like me.
another
You don't like me, you. And me can see it, so you hate me.
You know, sister company coming to the yard. Stop, don't chat with business. Yes, young lady, how can I help you?
Yo,
Good
Me glad
evening.
me come. Good evening. Sorry for
how
my
you be?
manners. Me glad me come go and see you. Cause me come here a while ago. No brown 1 hour ago. Me never see nobody.
What you want? Who you come to?
I was trying to know, mother.
What you mean?
You can't ask that. Me is her mother.
What you talk about?
Because she look like him. Oh, sorry. Anyways. Your son name now stop spread around the whole community.
My son is a good boy.
He thief goat. He thief zinc.
Hi, stick
he
a pin,
thief-
stick a pin, stick a pin. My son is no thief here. A two picnic me have.
Hold on.
My son is no thief. And that you come, my son is a good, ambitious young man. And that you come in my yard to come spread your girl.
Lady, what your name? Me not young lady. No, you don't look young at all. You look old.
No,
Anyway,
yourself.
Hello, not this
No,
my mother.
No,
yourself.
me not,
not do that.
Me not do it.
All when she don't like me, don't diss my mother. Please, me and
No,
beg you.
never need to. Okay. Now your son named Junior.
Yes, me have a son named
Okay.
Junior. What?
The son are not twin.
Yes.
Okay. Now our sister your son have.
My son not no picnic.
And
Sister,
and that she say.
She said, I know.
She say if I know one
she come
sister your
perplex
son
my
have,
head,
yes,
man.
I'm
Get
me-
to
I'm
the
me
point,
and
man.
sister.
Me not the no jeopardy show.
I'm me
Come
and
to the
sister. We are
point.
twin, but we not identical. Our.
Okay, well, your son name a spread. Say my thief zinc, him a thief hog, him a thief pig, him a thief goat, him
No,
a thief
no.
cat.
My son not thief. I want thief. Me have my son not thief. My son is a good, ambitious man. Me not have no thief in son. But hear what? My son is not the only man in the world named Junior. So get your facts straight before you come in my yard and come chat fart in my ear hole. But my son thieves in can't hug and I say you must get your facts
Wait
straight,
a sec.
my girl.
Say must be me, she mean. Which,
Yes,
where
you know.
you hear say out the road? Say Junie, thief or Junior? How you go?
Junior, me hear me never hear nothing about Junie.
Okay.
You see, uno
I
parents.
just ask you.
Take your words out of my face and stop
You
with
see,
your face
uno
in my
parents.
face.
Uno love pick up for uno pitney. But, uno see a man, I go sorry. You know why you not go sorry? You not go sorry when it's too late. When time either they analyze him
Me no know.
or when he got prison.
Me no know
You
which
can't-
Junior
I never
you are talk about, you know. Only
Oh, so you never
two
pick them
picnic,
again.
only two picnic me gotta give me and bless me with.
Now we pick
Me have
them
one
now.
that give problem
Who give problem?
and what none of your business. I may have my Junior is a good man, ambitious man that love and look after him family.
Wow!
So me
But
no know what
like
kind of
other
Junior
talk.
you are bring and come call debt and prison down for my family. And I call wrong
Are you
name.
not calling on yourself?
The wrong person you talk, my girl. The wrong person you talk. 'Cause you could never be talking
Yes,
about
not true.
my son.
Here say you live.
Where you
Where
come
say you
see
live?
me? Where you come see me?
Okay. Well, you can't say me never want you. Just know say people will come in your yard.
If them coming like you, me will run them same
Come
way.
like me.
Because
Me?
you just come with your judgment and foolishness.
No, me just come to give you the warning. Say people will come in your yard, go knock down. Maybe I'll burn it down too. Who to tell?
Hey, anything happen to this yard, that your face may come to, cause nobody
My
come
face.
threaten me with nothing.
My
This
face.
is the first conversation somebody a come threaten burn down what? Burn down what?
Me never said
No
you come
say,
burn down your house,
no
mommy.
say anything happen to me, my family, and my house, and
My
your
God,
face
you
may I
talk
look
like a
for.
little teenager. We can't deal with the teenager thing, you know. And me supposed to act your way. You not act like a big man. You act like a child.
I am acting like a mother.
No, you're not.
Here, you come in my yard. Me no know you from Adam. You come in my yard.
That's why you
I'll
should show
come
me
chat
little
farts
respect.
in my ear hole. Little girl, take your foot out of my face when you're talking to
Me
me.
who?
Your foot. Cause I could never your hand your foot in my face like say you want to come back. Big
You see
people.
you?
Me
Yeah,
talk
what's
about
sorry
that
when you-
already.
Lady, don't touch me.
Don't put your
not
do
touch
not
me.
wiggle
Don't
your hand,
touch
foot
me.
or whatever in my face. You see me do it to you?
You can't say me never call on you know. Can't say me never call on you. I don't business with you again. I don't say I should be respect you, don't make me even say, alright then, now come and so come tell you when me here upon the road. But no, you don't deserve no respect. I'm trying to come out to your old people.
Come out to me yard and
Hey.
bring your destruction and
Come
crosses.
fix your board house.
Me have board house.
Hey,
Where you
let's
have?
say what,
Where you
PM?
have stretch out
You
patches,
know.
girl? Where you
Aye.
have? Where you have? Come out to me yard.
At
Not
least-
far.
at least
Come out
we
to
not
me
let
yard.
Junior go there.
Yeah, come out to your yard with the crosses self. Come
Don't want
to
to be
square
careful, you
people's
have
spirit.
one whole household across.
Bye, bye. And you know, innocent, guilty, whatever all me I said, do please make people stop call your name a road. Cause your name think. Me I go inside no Karina God. And you don't sit me already. Little girl, take your foot out of my face when you're talking to me. Your foot. Cause I could never your hand your foot in my face like say you want to come back. Big
You see
people.
you?
Me
That
talk
was
about
sorry
that
when you-
already.
Lady, don't touch me.
Do
touch
not
me.
wiggle
Don't
your hand,
touch
foot
me.
or whatever in my face. You see me do it to you?
You can't say me never call on you know. Can't say me never call on you. I don't business with you again. I don't say I should be respect you, don't make me even say, alright then, now come and so come tell you when me here upon the road. But no, you don't deserve no respect. I'm trying to come out to your old people.
Come out to me yard and
Hey.
bring your destruction and
Come
crosses.
fix your board house.
Me have board house.
Hey,
Where you
let's
have?
say what,
Where you
PM?
have stretch out
You
patches,
know.
girl? Where you have?
Aye.
Where you have? Come out to me yard.
At
Where
least-
you far?
at least
Come out
we
to
not
me
let
yard.
Junior go there.
Yeah, come out to your yard with the crosses self. Come
Don't want
to
to be
square
careful, you
people's
have
spirit.
one whole household across.
Bye, bye. And you know, innocent, guilty, whatever all me I said, do please make people stop call your name a road. Cause your name think. Me I go inside no Karina God. And you don't sit me already.
So, my phone. Yeah, miss, come here there one moment. Please. Me left my phone over my yard. You see my house right there, me just live right there. Me want you watch, you can get hype on the cylinder there so I can go for my phone and call the guest man. Me not turn long. Me buy just right there so I see yard.
Hurry, you know. Me
Please.
hurry. And so if you know you're going to stay long,
Me not still.
do me a beg you don't stay long because I want to go about my business and the sun hot. Go on.
Yeah, help a black girl out.
Wait, girl, the man. So girl, you take too long. Oh, Jesus. Girl, say right there so she live.
Oh my God. You know what? You don't need to go. Let's go check for
Me not hear what you say, 'cause I bite the pass and you still attack. What you say?
something. I want to say.
What that have to do with me?
If Lord of God, right now you have to go. Right now.
Where they tell me say something are going up there, so and me if you go up there right now for what me look like idiot here?
And mommy, me said, mommy, jump down up there.
So, we mother drop down. And you come and tell me before you
I
stay there so
ambulance.
and then you call me.
Then tell me, somebody say me a wrong go call the ambulance.
Oh, I ambulance you call?
Yes.
How far is she there?
Round the corner, just go yeah. And somebody call me and me just say, yeah. Yeah, run. On the top. Straight, run fast, yeah.
Yes, hello. Yes, I want to guess right now. Yeah, me beg one lady. Oh, what? No, man. What on? Look up, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Me carry my gas come out and me beg you, man. I want to find man TV. Me beg you, man, watch me gas pan and now me gas pan got. Me don't even have no money to buy back no more. Jesus Christ, man. Okay, nobody come now when my gas pan gone. Jesus Christ. We can't bother with this up here, no man. Sorry, Evelyn.
Afternoon.
Evelyn. No, something upset. Me, I walk a look to one lady. She thick, she dark like, her hair, cane row. Me say, why you look at me so come?
No, talk.
Me say, you want to say, me carry me gas pan go to road this morning, away upon gas man. And me left my phone for calling man. So when me go over there now, I see her. Me say, can you watch your gas pan for me? She said she did in a hurry. Me say, okay. Me say, not take me long, cause my house just there right there. So me go in my house, and when me come back, my gas pan gone with the woman. I just know
But
what
you know
happened.
that, man. Oh, you can't leave your gas pan with stranger. In that time like this when everybody want a gas pan.
The lady, so where there, so where pan gas man too?
No, tell me I sell gas pan.
The lady never seem like she thief or nothing.
Oh, so if you see me now, yeah, so me not seem like a thief, not true.
You look like one thief to tell you the truth.
You know, say ring small little girl.
You know, say you all on face stiff, yeah, man.
Anyway, I tell it still. So like how the woman thief a gas pan, and that now come back. So you say if you want a gas pan,
So you not see lady?
you look like somebody that walk and watch people.
Yes, you look like somebody.
What you say lady look like? Tell me how, describe her.
Take her hair can rock a back, she know
Oh!
for colors.
Oh! That woman's a thief, are the biggest thief in the area.
I don't know that.
Huh?
I don't know that.
Me know her, man, are the biggest thief. But you're not going to
So give
find
me
her.
to her then so I can go
Who?
find gas pan.
Me? Fishy make gunman shoot me. Mama, you better you buy this. Me say buy this.
But I drop it for me.
Give me your money. Just give me your money. Me shut me eye. Just give me your money. No matter.
But me not no money.
Just give me what you have out of your pocket. Because you're the try. Just give me.
How about you look so? You not no change.
No. You want the gas pan? You want it?
Look here, me go up a African turn and I go if you don't give me back my change. Take this. Take $500 out of car. Gas pan not so expensive.
It's up to that thing. How 2 grand to empty pan?
Look here, you say you if you give what I have, I'm give what I have. So take it or leave it. Make up your mind.
Wow, I'm not change. Wait here again.
Oh!
You can't check me back.
Best believe say, me go over Africa. Alright.
No worry.
Me not worry. Excuse me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm sorry if it happened. You won gas pan your body. You think you get back in 13,000? You're lucky.
Come and stand up right here, sir. I true me never want be disrespectful in the station, you know, and deal with you in a way, you know. Look where me there right again. Look where we have to come for you again, Junie. Again. You know, me shame for conversation for you, man. And for the same thing, you couldn't even fight little. Eh? It's always thief. Cheese and peace, man. I love your love station, sir. You have, who you suck your teeth after? Picnic me have a lick you, see? You walk off from me. I mean, a lick you now. As big as you see me be. Chop. Where you stop for? Where you stop for? My case and come, man. Me want to walk away from this place. Chop. My case and come. Tired of this.
Ah! Where you go?
Me a go to the mother.
How you doing?
And my auntie come from foreign and give me 750 I go give me mother.
Oh. Let me look. Let me look for me.
No.
Yo, yeah, me I say. Let me look for something. Let me see how they look. Me just want to admire it.
No. You can't see it.
No, me can't. Look. Something wrong with me. Look. You see? Something wrong with me. Me have to just hold it back and look. Me see. Me not take him man. Look. Me have it in my hand. See it? Take out the back, man. Yeah, this look good. This can't. Hey. Don't touch your bag, enough. Don't touch your bag. Go on where you go. Go on where you go.
I got 10.
Yeah, good.
I got 10.
Yeah, man, go on. Right.
boy. What you doing now? What you doing now? We see a pack with them.
Before you help me fold the clothes, eh? But you pray. I hope you pray and I repent. I hope you repent. You done pray now? Look how much clothes up on the bed. Your girl child, girl pitney man, come help me. At least women know where you're there. You can't go nowhere. And people can't call your name or your salt. I mean, know where you're there right now. That may have to go start doing you. Not true? Big woman like you, I may have to keep eye on you like say you're a picnic. Huh? If I saw so, at least me know me I'll have one day of peace. You just not coming to people's house and a knock.
You still have strength. You still have strength.
God give me strength, or what?
Me I like that. Remember the day I come over here? Come whine about your son.
You come back with the same foolish arguments again and no time for you.
Hello! Oi!
Who you shout, pan?
May I ask you a question? Stop chat when not really relevant right now. You remember the day I come over here and whine about your son?
Yes.
And how you behave and run me out and cuss me and go on with a thing.
A lie you come tell from people picnic where you come back to tell more lie from my son again. What kind of lie you gonna tell about my son teeth right now?
You there you start fall up clothes, a pack with clothes spin and all sort of something. You would have go down the road, go look, identify the person we just dead a while ago. If for your son.
My son not dead, why you chat?
Oh, your son not dead. Right down there, some see him.
What foolishness. My son, teeth, you're mad. You come with the not better for the little girl. Go watch TV.
The attack say in go through man window, go thief money, and is like he never knows nobody in his house. Cause him as the big idiot. Which people who are gonna left their door wide open? I not in there. The man come out and see him and shot him.
That's something know you chat for.
And him and his friend them, he call his friend them fi help him go dash a roadside.
Somebody else, this other mysterious junior you talk about, kind of my son you talk about.
You still a fall up clothes.
Come in and say foolishness, you try look how much clothes me have. I mean I even get no help. Can you have her attention now? She stopped. She the pause. Like I said, the clothes are gonna fold themselves.
Right, yeah,
I listen story like I said, clothes are gonna fold themselves. Where you touch me for?
Now your son this.
No!
Oh, you believe no? Okay. Hey.
Jesus!
You believe no?
No. Junior!
Oh, look at
Junior! Oh God! Oh God, no! No!
You see parents
Junior!
pick up to their picnic.
Oh God!
Parents like you will pick up to their picnic. And that's always reach you.
And kill the baby!
All you can do.
Oh God!
Bury you.
Oh God!
You can't
kill the baby!
No. You tell us you want him.
No, my baby. No, my baby. When
When they ride down a road.
come on, sit down. When the baby, no. So people down the police walk away person.
Police down there right now. I take them. I go take him up. If he must carry him go hospital because they're not sure if he dead. But he get shot for real. Me just come up like one and I know. And instead that she take heed, she cuss me off. Like say, oh, to me young, me no know nothing. And me hear say, you she up here so. She up here. Why worry me? Up here a blame. Up here a blame feel what your son feel what your son a do. And you will get all of blame. Right now, see his son dead. So they said, me don't know. They must have come to the hospital to see if he's dead.
Let me see.
I'm dead for sure.
And I house in dead, but they can't go that shit down. Right?
I'm dead. No move. I'm dead for sure.
Anyways, me come about that. Their mother alright. She needs to grow up. Can act like you could pick me too much. You know, act like a big man.
Oi! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Jesus Christ! Oh God, we are the dead! Oh God! Oh God, Judy! Judy, your brother dead! They killed your brother! They killed my son! Oh God, he dead for you! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Judy! Me say, oh God! Me say, by the time we go down there, we just see them. I pick up Junior body. I pick up Junior body. And they don't even do it with care, you know? They don't even taste it if people pick it, you know? They just stick him out of the foot. I'm flinging on the foot so you see me a piece of trash. Oh God, Jordan. Your brother's dead, your twin brother dead, they kill your brother. Oh God, Junie. Oh God, oh God, my heart. Junie, all this time, oh God, me things say you know. Oh God, Junie, me things say you all this time. Oh God, forgive me. May I beg you, forgive me. Me never know. Me really think say you are the truth. You never have no answer. And everybody tell me say you are deep. And to God, me never believe say Junior could have do that. And you never defend it. You just have say it wasn't me. To God, me never believe you. Oh God, me sorry. Me sorry. You're my one picnic love leave. Oh God, you can't forgive me. Me gonna tell you the truth. Oh God, me gonna tell you the truth. I told boy me did once, you know. I told boy me did want me know say me I have twin. But when you come to God, me not lie. You not lie. When you come and you're a girl, what me can do? Oh God, my son dead. What me could I do? We couldn't do nothing but raise you. You although is a boy want. You know say, oh God. You know say when you did a grow up, a pure boy clothes me did a buy for you. But me I gotta tell you the truth. I two boys me did want. I me never even like you when you come out cause you're a girl. But to God, the brick, the builder refused become the head cornerstone. I bet me they get two girls, you know. I bet me they get two girls. I could have. Me put everything, all the everything in a Junior. Oh God. And then him did the thief, not you. I'm sorry. Me did I blame you all the time. And then him me lose off. Look, but one girl put me, you did innocent the whole time. Oh God, me sorry, you know. Me sorry. Me sorry. Oh God, me sorry. Me know me never treat you right. Oh God, me know me never treat you. Me I'll cook food and give Junior and me never leave none for you and thing and make up excuse. Cause me never like you from your back and you're a girl child. I mean, I don't want no girl. A boy me want. Now what could the boy go do? Better me did have two girls pick me and done. Cause a girl child don't let me down no matter how bad me treat you. And everybody I call you thief and miss your mother. Your mother. I'm supposed to defend it for you. I'm gonna defend it for you. Oh God, Junie, me sorry. Your brother dead. Your brother gone. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Junie. Oh, me sorry. Me sorry. Me sorry. Me sorry. Me lose.
Forgive me, Junie. Forgive me. Oh God, forgive me, Junie. I'm sorry. I was wrong. Oh God, God, no, I was wrong. Oh God. Oh God, I can't breathe. Oh God. Oh God, what me do, Lord? And what me do so? Oh, 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 oh God. Oh God, forgive me. Me sorry. Me sorry, Junie. Oh God, me sorry.
Listen,
Oh God.
get up. Get up, my mother. Get up.
Stop.
Get up, get up, get up.
Oh God.
Get up, get up.
Me do you wrong.
Get up, get up, get up. Sit down and sit down.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Sit down, sit
Oh
down,
God.
sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Oi.
Sit down, sit down on the bed.
Oi.
Listen to me.
Oi. Oi.
Yeah, hear me?
Oh God. Oh God.
Listen to me now. Me forgive you. I forgive you because you're my mother. But I will never forget what you have done to me. But I forgive you from my heart. And even though you make me been through so much, I was depressed, I was stressed, my pressure even rise up, me even end up in the hospital because my pressure rise and you didn't
You
even
never
know
know
about
that.
it.
You never tell
Because
me,
you
Junie.
did
You
not
never
care
tell
about
me.
me.
Oh God.
All you do all my life
Oh God. You never
is
know.
blame me as your daughter and you as my mother.
I'm
Seriously,
sorry.
you really
I'm
look for me
sorry.
and think that I am
My
a
brother
thief
dead.
all my
I'm
life.
gone. Oh God.
Well, me sorry
Oh,
to hear
God.
about my brother gone.
Oh God.
But I cannot bring him back. But God knows best.
Oi.
Listen to me. Me even stand up and see people come to you, come warn you. But I could not say anything because I could not prove it about my brother. Say my brother thief and you have to warn him and you cuss off the people them.
You should come in there, come tell.
Listen.
Me think say lie.
No, listen, you think too much.
Me think
Say
say
people
lie.
are telling like once it's something pertaining to
It
me
is
and my
a lie.
name call.
Me think say lie.
Everything,
Oh God.
my name call, you
Me
know.
think say lie.
Me this, me that, and you put
Jesus.
all the blame on me, and you give me
Oh,
all
God.
the wrong.
Oh God.
Why you
My
never
son
like me
gone.
as your
Oh
daughter?
God.
My mother, why
I'm
you never
sorry.
like me? Why?
I'm
Why?
sorry.
Why? Why you never like me? God give you two pitney. One boy and
Me
one
two
girl as
boy
a
I
twin.
no want.
And you
From
still
me a
say a two
pick
boy
me.
you want.
From me a pick me always. Oh God, my son
You
gone.
tell us something.
Me always dreams of me want two boy.
Me forgive
And when
you,
me
you know.
get twin, me say yes. Me get two, my son. Me get two in a one. And when, but no sister be a boy clothes you grow up in a. Me I look, me, you don't know how me pray
Listen,
to God.
my
And
mother.
try me not do no stuff.
Hello.
Oh God, my boy dead.
No,
My
listen.
boy dead.
You
my
did
boy dead.
hate me so
Oh,
much till
God.
you don't even like to see
Oh,
the
God.
clothes that me even wear.
Oh God.
You
Oh,
hate
God,
me so
never
much
did.
until you starve me and don't give me any food a lot of time. Even though me a big
I'm
woman,
sorry.
and the two of we still in your
I'm
house.
sorry. Me
And you
wrong.
always a run out me and you
Me
not
wrong.
run out him.
My daughter, me
But
wrong.
guess what? I forgive you and even though I'm dead, me forgive him too. Because me no want have no wickedness in me towards Uno.
Oi,
Everything
Oi.
good.
oi.
Everything good, man. But guess what
You're
now?
not good.
You have to
But
go
thank
find
you.
out how you are going to bury your son.
Lord God, me have to go back. Oh, my son dead. Junior
See
gone.
money then, yeah.
Junior gone.
See money then. Yeah.
Lord, what me do to deserve
When me
this
work,
judgment, God?
I work,
What
I work.
me do? Me pray. Me go church. Me raise people. Me raise you know. What me do, God, to deserve this?
Don't
Me
ask
not
God
do
that.
nothing.
Don't ask
Oh,
God.
God.
I know what you do. Ask
Oh,
me, mother, you
God.
know what you do. Don't do that.
Oi,
I don't go and make God
Oi.
sing you even more.
oi,
You see the money
Oi.
here? Hello?
oi,
You see them here?
oi,
I work,
Oi.
me work and show part.
oi.
And I'll do what he never
Oh,
like
God.
me. And he do a lot of
Oh, God.
foolishness and make me get the blame for him.
Junie, what we
You
are
go give you
going to do?
this
Oh, Junie.
towards him burial. So take it.
Oh, God, Junie.
Listen to
You
me.
still a help me. Junie, you're a God bless girl, you know.
You
To
say,
God. You're a God bless girl. I'm
Listen.
sorry.
take this.
You're-
And I like me give you my partner money.
Oh,
I
God.
did want if you go buy some material and come out of your house where you run me out all long. But God will help
But me
me.
never really run you, Junie.
Me say,
you
you
know I'm
always
head
run me.
hot.
Listen.
I never mean
You
it.
listen to me? You always not listen to
God.
me. Listen to me. Me I give you this, you want to say?
Oy.
When me chew, me when they work and they chew my partner while you don't know about it, you build one house. But you can take
What's
it
your partner, Junie?
towards the burial and bury your son.
Oh, God.
Me not go come at a funeral. But
Are
see
you
when
twin
you go
brother? You for come?
No, listen.
Are you twin brother?
Oh, listen to me.
You for come, Junie,
Just
so
tell
don't
him
look
say,
bad.
no, it not look bad.
Oy.
If what you do to me don't look bad, this one look bad. Look here, take it
Oh,
towards him burial.
Oh, God.
And guess what? Yes, when you turn up
Oh,
over
God.
and tell him, say me forgive him.
Oh, God.
That is it.
Oh,
Go on,
God.
go on with it, go on.
Oh, God. Junie, God bless you. God bless you. Me sorry. Me sorry.
I forgive you, you know. God knows I forgive you, but I'm not going to forget what you do to me. Swear.
Oh, God.
You don't listen to me,
Oh,
you
God.
listen to people.
Me go listen now. Everything changed.
All of the money them where you pay a station and to police and lawyer, you pay them innocently for
Me go get lawyer and
something when
defend
me
you.
not do.
Oh, God. You get accused.
And your son do
wrong.
all of the thieving.
Oh,
I mean, I know all my name called for all of them wrongdoing there, but everything good. Go on in your room,
Mate.
go on. It's alright,
Mate,
just go on.
no.
Go on, go cool off in your
the
room.
police say me have to go down and go do official. Me don't know if we can look on him again, because Jesus Christ. Oh, God.
Go on in your
Me
room,
go.
go on in your room. Come on. Cool off and I want to see if we can finish all up there.
Oh, God.
That's
Thank
the door when
you,
you go.
dear.
Yeah, go on with the money.
Thank
Go on,
you.
go on, go on.
Oh, God.
I'm going to see if you can drink some water and go pray and ask God to give you for the wickedness them want to do to one and pick me. One of that those stranger.
Boy.
Father God, you see what me go
Oh,
through.
God.
You see what me go through, Father God. You see what me go through. But me know say you will never leave me nor forsake me. You always be there for me. Thank you, Jesus. I not happy, you know. I not happy at all. Say my brother gone down the drain, you know. But I feel in time, you know. And this did have to happen for my mother. She said I wasn't guilty of the wrongdoings.